चल चलिए क्रूज करिए पर ध्यान नाल चलाउणा अजकल दे ड्राइवर बहुत माड़े आ पर हुण तां चानण चूनण हैगा सो ओके आ सज्जे हत्थ रहना इत्थों हौली ब्रेक ला के पत्ते आ राह छड्ड के दूर देखना आ गलाव चकने हथ ठर जाने ओके नीव्स रोड तक रेस पेडेस्ट्रीयंस तो ध्यान नाल सेफ्टी की कंप्रोमाइज होनी दूजिया की अपनी हिम्मत है ना जो आका ब्रेक ब्रेक कवर्ड होनी चाहिए तेरी अगे कुत्ता आ रहा है ब्रेक कवर्ड होनी चाहिए थोड़ी ओए बंदे आगे थोड़ी हो गया कट गई तो तेरे मर्जी तो सामने बंदे बेचना सी मर गए Look at this. Look here, the water gushed through this area and it's very deep here and it's very full and I'm trying to stay away. I have this in between so I don't fall, and there was a lot of rain yesterday and the day before, so the water has filled up in the Elouette River and it is, look at this. Look at it swashing around. ये तो होर डूंगा हो गया। कल मैं आया सीगा उत्थे थल्ले तक पानी सीगा थोड़ा। everyone, today I'm here at the Alouette River Dike. Nice day in November. Usually it's raining and I'm on my bike today. I have the Meta glasses. They just turned black because of the sun. And let's go record some clips and hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, I'm here and today I want to, this bike is really old and I have like probably over 1,000 kilometers on here, and these are like, we never changed these tires and there's probably 1,000+ kilometers on these, and it is a very good bike from MEC. I will let you know what the model name is. And the speed is really good even with all these accessories. I have a bike lock, a bag, pump, toolkit even and a carrier. It's still like, without any like extra effort, I could go easily on like 20 kilometers per hour. So yeah, and it's really good. I just have to take care of it. A little bit of brake maintenance that I have to do right now because the brakes aren't that good after 1,000 kilometers, and also I have to make sure that I have those clip-on shoes and those pedals are kind of wearing out, so I need to be more careful with that to like slide them in smoothly, not like jerk on them. And yeah guys, that's about it.